Select the Open Bridge icon on the top right of the patient summary page. This opens an application called Bridge that will link you to the Know module. Bridge will transfer your test results and journal notes into Manage. The module dashboard is at the very top, followed by patient information. Take note of the 4 sections: Diagnosis, Sessions, Client Comments, Devices. Diagnosis shows your last audiogram results. Sessions shows all your session history, organized by session date and name. Any completed questionnaires using the questionnaire module, and any journal entries, including attachments using the journal module, will also be organized by the date they were completed. Client Comments is where additional notes can be entered and saved. Devices shows the fitting data for the patient. To capture and save a hearing test, select your testing module from the main dashboard. You can now capture the hearing test and save the result. Close the module. You will notice under the Diagnosis, the saved audiogram results. Sessions will show the saved session you have just completed. Any journal entries, attachments, and questionnaires will also appear here. When you view the audiogram in Manage, you can categorize the hearing results. Select Clinical Data from the left menu. You'll find a patient's stored audiograms here. Click on an entry to expand session details. 3 fall and pure tone average information is found on the right. Under Hearing Loss, AI-generated suggestions based on audiogram results are provided for hearing loss categories. These selections are adjustable and intended for informational use only. For pure tone audiograms, the audiogram itself and test results are view-only and cannot be modified. It's important to point out, the plotted symbols conform to the regional standards applicable in your country. Under Speech, you will find speech test results. To access or include additional clinical notes, go to the Journal section of the patient's record. Here, you'll also find journal entries generated in Bridge.